Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Car Circuit Pro. Today we're talking about one of the most intriguing luxury electric vehicles set to hit the road soon at the 2025 Zeekr 9X Grand. If you haven't heard of Zeekr yet, it's a premium EV brand under Geely, the same company that owns Volvo and Polestar. The 9X Grand is poised to be their flagship model, combining cutting-edge tech, luxury, and serious performance. So let's dive into everything you need to know about this futuristic ride. First, let's talk design because the Zeekr 9X Grand is nothing short of stunning. It's a large, luxurious grand tourer or flagship sedan with the sleek, aerodynamic shape and smooth flowing lines. Think of something that blends the elegance of a Mercedes EQS with the futuristic vibe of a Lucid Air. Up front, you'll notice slim matrix LED headlights and a closed-off grille that makes it look sharp and modern. Its long wheelbase and low-slung profile not only enhance its luxury feel but also contribute to better aerodynamics for improved range. Flush door handles, seamless glass roof lines, and a sporty rear end with the light bars stretching across make it one of the best-looking electric sedans we've seen so far. Moving on to performance, the Zeekr 9X Grand isn't just about looking good, it's built to perform. Based on Zeekr's Sustainable Experience architecture platform, this car is expected to offer dual-motor all-wheel drive, pumping out an estimated up to 800 horsepower. Depending on the final variant, that kind of power would give it a 0 to 60 miles per hour time under 3 seconds, putting it in serious competition with the likes of the Tesla Model S Plaid and Porsche Taycan Turbo. Even if there's a less powerful version for those who don't need all that speed, expect smooth, instant torque and a balanced ride thanks to an adaptive air suspension system. On to range and charging, Zeekr is aiming high here. Reports suggest that the 9X Grand will be equipped with a 100 kWh to 140 kWh battery pack, depending on the model, which should deliver between 400 to 500 miles of range on a single charge. Thanks to an 800-volt electrical system, it will support ultra-fast charging, allowing you to add up to 200 miles of range in about 15 minutes. Depending on the charger. That's perfect for people who need a practical EV for long-distance drives without worrying about stopping too often. Inside, the interior of the Zeekr 9X Grand is where luxury and technology meet. Think high-end materials like leather, suede, wood, and metal trims, all wrapped onto a minimalist yet sophisticated design. A massive curved OLED display, possibly stretching from pillar to pillar, dominates the dashboard. It will run Zeekr's latest infotainment system with high-powered controls, advanced voice assistance, and gesture recognition. Expect augmented reality head-up displays, fully digital instrument clusters, and rear seat entertainment options in higher trims. And of course, features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates will come standard. Comfort-wise, the 9X Grand will be loaded with ventilated and massaging seats, a premium audio system, possibly something in collaboration with the luxury audio brand Day, and 4-zone climate control. Rear passengers are expected to get individual screens and controls, making this a great option for those who enjoy being driven as much as driving. The car will also offer plenty of storage, including a front trunk or frunk, since there's no traditional engine. On the technology and safety side, Zeekr is going all in. You'll find lidar-based autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Zeekr is working towards hands-free highway driving and advanced parking systems, so expect this car to be loaded with next-gen features. Now, let's talk about price. While official numbers haven't been announced, considering its flagship position and all the technology packed into it, industry experts estimate a starting price around $100,000 to $120,000, with high-performance or limited edition models possibly going up to $150,000 or more. That puts it right in line with other luxury EV sedans like the Mercedes EQS, Tesla Model S, and Lucid Air. Finally, Release date: Zeekr has hinted that the 9X Grand will be officially revealed later in 2024, with production starting shortly after. First deliveries are expected in mid to late 2025, initially in China and select European markets, with possible expansion to North America if demand is high. To sum it all up, the 2025 Zeekr 9X Grand looks like it's going to be a game-changer in the electric luxury sedan space, blending high-end design, blistering performance, cutting-edge tech, and long-distance range. If you're someone looking for a car that offers both status and substance, the Zeekr 9X Grand might be the EV to watch in 2025. What do you think about Zeekr's approach to luxury and performance? Would you pick this over Lucid or Tesla? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this in-depth breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our latest car reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Great follow-up. Let's break down the function of the 2025 Zeekr 9X Grand clearly and simply. So what is the actual function of the 2025 Zeekr 9X Grand? What role does this car serve, and why is it important? First and foremost, the Zeekr 9X Grand functions as a luxury electric flagship sedan designed to compete with the best in the world. Think of rivals like the Tesla Model S, Mercedes EQS, and Lucid Air. Its role is to combine high-end comfort, cutting-edge technology, and extreme performance, all wrapped in a fully electric package. This is Zeekr's statement piece, showing what the brand is capable of when it comes to luxury EVs. Secondly, the 9X Grand functions as a powerful grand tourer, made for long-distance driving without compromise. With a targeted range of up to 500 miles and ultra-fast charging, it is built to handle long trips effortlessly, while giving drivers and passengers a first-class travel experience. Whether you're behind the wheel or in the back seat, this is a car made for people who value both performance and comfort on the road. Another important function is technology leadership. The 9X Grand is expected to showcase Zeekr's latest innovations, including advanced autonomous driving capabilities, eye-driven infotainment, and top-tier safety systems. It functions as a platform to introduce next-generation in-car tech, positioning Zeekr as a serious player in the premium electric vehicle space. In terms of everyday usability, the Zeekr 9X Grand functions as a practical yet luxurious sedan. It's designed for executives, families, and individuals who want space, advanced features, and an eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered luxury cars, without sacrificing status or driving pleasure. Lastly, on a bigger scale, the Zeekr 9X Grand functions as a symbol of where the electric car industry is heading, blending sustainability with